John, hi again. This is Mutla. So I felt like I need to explain this just a little bit. Maybe I didn't do a good job as I was teaching yesterday. So what we have here, we have two functions. F of x, it's a square root function, square root of 8 of x minus 1, and g of x, it's a quadratic function, x squared minus 1. We're adding those two functions. It is f plus g of x. Maybe it's a better way of writing it. So we take f of x and we take g of x. However, this is it. This is as far as we can go. We cannot make any other algebraic operations in here. So we can call this new function, which is formed by addition of f of g of x, as h of x. And h of x is a function something like that. And the reason I prefer to write it in this blue form, it's like ascending order. The highest power first, and we have a 0 power here with -1 and the square root power. So we cannot put anything else together here in the statement. We cannot go any further algebraic operations in that. Then this h of x guy will have a domain. H of x will not have a domain restriction from here, but h of x will have a domain restrictions from the square root. Let's just let me do it this way. Yeah. So h of x will have a domain restriction from here. I think this is what you were explaining on your email, but I just wanted to make sure that. And that domain restriction will be 8x minus 1 should be greater than equal to 0. So then 8x should be greater than equal to 1, x should be greater than equal to 1 over 8. And if I want to put it in an interval notation, it should be 1 over 8 to infinity, and that will be our solution. But there are two important things here that I just want to underline. One of them, the addition of two functions. That's what we need to end up with, either in this green star form or in this h of x form. And evidently, it's going to produce us this domain. Again, hope it helps. Let me know if you have questions. And have a good weekend and have a good Friday. Thank you. See you. Bye.